Okay. Just an update. So, I've been gone, 'no? Hindi ka na-update ng maayos yung process or hindi ako nakapag-update as you can see sa upload schedule ko. Meron akong, malaking gap, 'no? Ang laki ng gap ko, but it's okay, 'no? I'm supposed to feel like shit pero I don't care anymore and, it's just that I'm pretty aware that it's just a part of the process, 'no? Me personally na I always shut down, no? And based on my pattern, it looks like it's accurate, no? Mukha namang 1 week ako nawala, no? Um, 'Cause I think I started on Friday. Kailan ba? Okay. So, ang huling update ko is, August 17, no? Ta's napuyat ako, hindi ako nakapag-update or record or upload ng Tuesday, no? Tuesday, August 18, and then August 19, no? August 18, 19, 20. Yeah, dami. Pero may mga clips ako na meron akong clip dito na recording, eh, hindi ko lang ata na-edit. Meron naman akong clip for, I think August 18 may na-record ako ng August 18 na naalala ko, eh. Hindi ko lang siya na-upload agad. So, yun yung ginagawa ko ngayon. That's what we're going to do. Ayan, may bago nga ako, ayan 18 na. Meron akong ganap ng 18. Hindi ko nga lang panoorin ko nga 'to ulit mamaya. So, anyway, um, uh, okey. So, ito yung situation ko, this is my current situation. Una is, I'm not sure kung nasabi ko na pero I tried to build an app when it comes to, for sure hindi ko pa na nasabi. I tried to build an app when it comes to tracking my performance 'no. Gusto ko siyang mag-gamify and ito share ko rin yung itsura niya. So, this is what it looks like 'no. Tawag ko sa app na 'to is awareness 'no. So, gusto ko mag-level up para maging game game siya and well, alam mo yun mas interesting at least yung, how we do things, you know. So it's just kind of interesting, you know. It's ayan, so ito siya. Matrack yung hours ko kasi naka-focus pa rin tayo sa hours. Ang ganda na ng ano natin eh, to be honest. Eto, i-a-adjust ko pa 'to. Sobrang ganda ng momentum natin nung nakaraan. Kaso, it just happens, you know. It just happens na ay kailangan ko 'tong labelan. It just happens na nawawala tayo sa momentum from time to time, 'no? We've always had a struggle when it comes to consistency and, ang pinaka-catalyst nito if I'm going to look back is me trying to fix my sleeping pattern, 'no? It's always a huge, uh, impact for me when it comes to fixing my sleeping pattern kasi nagpupuyat ako, I do some stuff, you know? Dun talaga nagsimula ang lahat, 'no? And I'm very aware na it's hard, but it's okay. It just happens, you know. 'Pag bumalik, eh, di bumalik. Kung hindi bumalik, eh, ganun talaga. So, nag-spiral na tayo pababa from there, 'no. Sleeping pattern, ta's procrastination sa mga kailangang gawin, ta's building this app, tapos nag-birthday ako. So, mga situations na yun, mga situations na hindi natin, controllable pero hindi pa tayo gano'n karunong pagdating sa gano'ng bagay. Tapos yeah, we took some rest lang din 'no. Thankfully, it's just a few days 'no, looking back. Kasi whenever I have this kinds of situation na sobrang feeling ko na wala ako ng matagal, feeling ko napakalaki ng consequence niya. Pero based on, you know, as we practice we practice this kind of, ganap 'no, mastering, learning how to live life overall 'no. It's just a part of the process. You just, you know, aware ako, eh, ng mangyayari 'to and kung nangyari na hindi na ako masyado nalulungkot. Hindi na rin ako sobrang nahihirapang bumalik. Well, the past few days kahapon ay hindi ko talaga kaya 'no. But there are days na hindi ko talaga kaya. Pero it's okay 'no, we will learn from our lessons. I don't want to call it mistakes anymore because it's just lessons 'no. I just wanna be calm and again i-apply pa yung mga natutunan natin as we go through life. So yun, hindi tayo consistent but, babalik tayo, 'di ba? Let's end this August, properly, 'no? So looking at this right now, this is the last week, eh, 4th week na. So ilang araw yung hindi natin nagawa, 'no? Madami-dami din pala 'no, pero kasi nagwo-work naman ako ng ilang araw rito, eh. I think it's okay. It just happens, you know? And, whenever we are in momentum, on momentum, okay naman tayo, eh. We're just good, 'no? We just need some adjustments. So, things that I want to, tell here in this video, things that I wanna do is, um, yung sa may limiting belief, 'no? I want to again, I always want to adjust that. Actually looking back, I do think na nag-improve ako. Kasi before, to be honest, sobrang depressed ako, nahirap akong mag-work, 'no? Kasi alam mo 'yun, meron akong mga paniniwala na I'm disappointed in myself. Bakit ko hindi siya nagawa? Bakit ganito, ganyan? Ba't ako delayed na naman, late na naman ako? I'm just looking at my wins and, I'm just looking at this with complete awareness na this is really going to happen. It's just a part of me. This is just me. And we're working on it, no? So yeah, we're working on this. So, better days are coming, 'di ba? Just need to be again aware and, just be aware, you know? And yun, isa pa pala factor din is medyo na-depress din ako talaga actually kasi, hindi na ako may-extend dito sa Kuwait. And it's just that, ito yung gusto kong ma-adopt na bagong mindset 'no. Pag-uwi ko kasi sa Pinas hindi pa ako ready pagdating sa expenses kasi, yung kuryente, mataas na yung kuryente tapos ang daming mga issues and struggles ko dun sa kwarto ko 'no, sa Pilipinas. It's just so hard kasi mainit yung sa may kwarto ko tapos, um, hirap mag-work kaya nga ako nagkasakit sa may hita ko na hindi pa rin gano'n kagaling ngayon 'no, hindi pa rin siya magaling. So, and yung sa mga damit, it's just so many factors 'no, na hindi ako makapag-focus lang sa work. But, it is what it is 'no, it is what it is. Definitely mababawasan din talaga yung productivity natin for sure, pero I will still try my best, okey? I will still try my best. I will just take it as a training 'no, na mas tumibay pa tayo, mas mag-improve pa 'no. I need to look at this at a better light 'no, because nakakayak talaga, eh, na parang, "Shit ang hassle man." Parang, okey, ang dami na namang issues na na-experience ko. Lalaki yung mental load and stress ko na hindi ko sana nararanasan. But, well, that's life, 'di ba? We just need to find some workarounds 'no. So yun, nade-depress ako dun pero I want to look at it at a different angle para yes, may struggles doon, we will try to fix it, okay? We always try to fix it. Kasi ang mangyayari niyan, imbes na naka-focus lang ako dito sa skills ko, sa ginagawa ko ngayon and then my emotions and stuff, my, behavior, eh, marami tayong kailangang maging ano pa, obligations. Pero again, we will just need to figure out a way para ma-solve 'yan. Kasi the fact na nakarating ako dito is a huge deal, 'no? Napaka-huge, it's a very huge achievement. I just need it's all about preparation na lang siguro. Kailangan ko maghanda para pag-uwi ko, eh, alam ko yung mga gagawin. Hindi tayo sobrang mahihirapan, 'di ba? And, I'm able to process it so far, napa-process ko na siya. Hindi na siya gano'n kabigat, which is good, 'no? So yun, that's one thing that I want to work on 'no, yung mga limiting beliefs ko 'no. Kasi, as we go through life, marami pa tayong matututunan and again mag-i-improve pa tayo paunti-unti 'no. We can just, take advantage of our situation para naman again mas okay tayo, 'di ba? We just need to take advantage. Kagaya niyan, may nagbago sa perspective ko na baka dapat pala yata sa baba na lang ako mag-computer para hindi ako mahirapan. You know, I'm beginning to be open I'm beginning to open myself into different, perspectives or different options since, tawag dito, since na-experience ko na magbago ng environment, eh. Kasi before never kong iko-consider 'yun na magtrabaho sa baba, na alam mo 'yun, nagkakaroon ako ng mga bagong puwedeng options na gawin na i-modify yung bahay or whatever para, eh, again, mas mapadali yung overall situation ko, yung trabaho and whatnot, 'di ba? Which is good. I'm excited kasi again, we're changing, 'di ba, different input, different output. That's good. Okay, next. Okey. Bukod dun, I'm very excited to, tawag dito, very excited to go all in, 'no, when it comes to this thing that I built, 'no. Kasi sobrang nakaka-motivate 'yan, eh. Currently ngayon namomotivate na ako, hindi pa buo yung system ko or workflow to track my levels, 'no, my editing skills and stuff, 'no, and whatnot. Pero for sure 'pag na-build ko pa 'to mas maeengganyo ako na mas maging better person. Kasi again, yun yung kulang, eh. Isipin mo, people improve because there are systems in place already, 'di ba? What do I mean by that? Um, sa call center merong KPIs, meron kang commission, ta's merong infrastructure na built built para gumaling ka. You know, meron kang coach na magco-coach sa'yo, 'no, and merong emotional component tsaka alam mo yung meron kang drive, eh, kasi gusto mong mapakita sa iba na magaling ka, 'di ba? Kaya ako naging top agent rin nun sa VXI kasi may mga nakatingin, eh, may nanonood, eh. So it just alam mo yun, it just breeds success, it just breeds performance. The environment itself just breeds performance. And that is one thing na ginagawa ko na I'm trying to engineer my environment and my workspace itself, to breed success, to breed performance, 'no, higher performance. So yun yung gusto nating mangyari, 'no? Gusto nating mag-improve. And again, it's hard, of course, but if we can just, eto na yun, eh, we just know what to do. Alam na natin kung ano kailangan nating gawin, kailangan lang natin siyang gawin, which is a blessing in itself, 'di ba? It might take me years still, but that's okay. That's reality, 'di ba? Hindi talaga madali. Naka-label na, napakalinaw na in extreme, 'no, in words of extreme, hindi ako gano'n ka-talented sa ganitong situation. Wala akong talent pagdating sa pag-handle ng sarili ko, 'no, emotions. Merong mga tao na kaya na talaga, meron silang isang salita kaya talaga nila. I'm not like that, but it's okay, 'di ba? I can just work hard on myself, 'di ba? Again, like an athlete, 'di ba? I just need to focus on myself. You know, I can be talented in this. I am talented in other ways. Alam mo, yes, kung tutuusin, yes, hindi ako gano'n kagaling, hindi ako talented sa sitwasyon na 'to, 'no. Hindi ako talented na mag-work mag-isa, hindi ako talented sa business, execution, okey? Pero saan ba ako talented? I would say I'm talented in building systems, I'm talented pagdating sa awareness. Siguro talent ko or gift ko na rin na gusto kong mag-improve overall. The fact na meron ako nun, nothing is impossible, 'di ba? And I just need to accept my limitations and be aware. Again, that's one of my limitations. Hindi ko talent na 'pag may sinabi ako gagawin ko na lang. Kaya maraming successful na businessman kasi talent nila yun, gets mo? Ako hindi, okey? Pero I would say na talent ko na to 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 help improve, 'di ba? To improve stuff, 'no? I think talent ko rin kahit papaano ngayon, lately, na na tulungan yung sarili ko na, tawag dito, na 'wag masaktan masyado. Kasi I'm a very emotional person, but again, na-depress nga ako the past few days, 'di ba? I'm a very emotional person, 'no? Magagalitin ako, malala ako sa mga bagay-bagay, it's all extremes. But again, I don't I don't want to call myself bipolar or something, pero I don't want to look at it as if I'm undiagnosed or whatever. I just deal with it, 'di ba? I just focus on the solution, okay? Again, in extremes, na if we're going to look at it in extremes, no offense, in a way para akong PWD, 'no? I have a disability, and that's okay. I'm going to use it as my strength, 'di ba? Kasi again, why do I say that? Well, kitang-kita naman dito sa channel na proof talaga na hindi ko talaga kaya maging consistent as much, 'no? I can be, pero hindi pa rin talaga perfect kasi kulang pa ako, okay? I would say I'm still level 1, 'no? And yun, I just need to I'm still thankful na aware ako. And maybe I consider myself as a fast learner. Maybe mag-improve tayo agad, 'di ba? We just need to again build the systems and just stick with it, 'no? Yun yung isang kailangan ko talaga na ma-master pa, na ma-master yung art, yung craft na just sticking with it. Na mahirap siya, masakit siya, nakakairita siya, pero at the end of the day, it's worth it. Kasi hindi 'to trabaho, we're building a business, we're building ourselves, atin 'to. kung ano man yung ginagawa natin ngayon para sa'tin siya, and it's okay. And for sure, if I just keep working on this, marami pa akong mga limiting beliefs. Marami pa akong matututunan overall when it comes to my emotions, to my behavior. How can I handle myself better, 'di ba? Kasi again, uh, I'm not trying to put myself down. I'm just honest na I'm just not a great person right now because of my again environments, and it's just me, you know. Gano'n lang talaga ako. I would say I'm a little bit better on other areas compared to other people, pero it's just that I don't alam mo 'yun, it's just that I don't wanna compare myself to anyone. I just want to compare myself, from my standards and from my previous self, which is again much more improved, I would say. So 'yun. And yeah, 'yun. So I just want to improve my limiting beliefs, and, lately pala 'no, lalo nung birthday ko, napahinga ako, nag-try ako mag-Mobile Legends kasi matagal na ako naku-curious talaga, paano nga ba ang ML 'no? How does it work, ganito, ganyan. So okey naman in one day, actually 'di nga natapos yung araw pero basta umabot ako ng epic 'no, which is marami-raming wins 'yun. Okey din naman, ang konti ng talo ko, ewan ko AI ba 'yun or marunong lang talaga ako or maganda yung momentum ko, yung mental state ko nun. Masaya, pero nung kalagitnaan na palagi na ako natatalo, kahit kahapon naglaro kami ulit, testing lang, classic, talo ako palagi. Hindi ko na parang iba yung galawan, iba yung hero, ang dami ko pang hindi alam. And if I'm going to ask myself, I can learn that. Kaya kong gumaling sa ML, okey? Kaya kong gumaling. It's just going to take time. I just need to be aware of the situations, kaya ko. I know, I have the idea how can I get better there, 'no? May idea ako, may common sense ako, meron akong analytical brain to analyze the game, just be more aware, the heroes, et cetera. Kayang-kaya kong mag-delve into that. It's just that it's not worth it, 'no, na fortunately at least na-try ko and makaka-relate na ako 'pag may kuwentuhan konti, 'di ba? Pero, it's just, not worth it as of the moment, 'no? I don't think it will ever be worth it, unfortunately. Hindi talaga siya para sa akin, but at least I know the reality kasi alam mo 'yun, nakita ko na yung scope, 'no? It's always been a hobby of me to understand the full scope, malaman yung buong storya ng mga bagay-bagay. Editing, video, game development, music, et cetera, you know? So 'yun. And, yeah, 'yun, instead of me being analytical and learning ML para gumaling sa ML, I'll just spend that time and energy and knowledge to improving myself, 'no? Kasi tutuusin kung gaano yung pakiramdam ko sa ML nung nabobobo ako and stuff. Gano'n din yung nararamdaman ko sa ngayon sa everyday life ko, 'no? In video editing, in submitting on time, not replying to clients, not doing what I'm supposed to do, 'di ba? Pero 'yun, so and sa ML no pressure 'pag natalo, well, talo, 'di ba? I'll try better next time, try to improve and understand the other mechanics of the game. Um, I'm going to do that with my life, 'di ba? And marami rin akong na-realize pa, okay, so in-apply ko yung mindset paano isipin niya sa ML 'no, kasi for example, may early game, may mid game, end game, 'di ba? May turtle, may lord. I just need to be aware of that when it comes sa video editing. Sobrang applicable siya sa video editing kung tutuusin. Puwede ko siyang i-connect 'no, i-konekta, which is good. And, sa overall business 'no, i-a-apply ko lang siya dun para mas entertaining, 'di ba? Mas interesting siya, mas masaya. And yeah, I will apply that. Let me list that saglit, okay? So, early game, mid game, end game. Okay, so yun. Um, I just need to apply that. It's kind of helpful then, no, whenever I do this unplanned breaks, no, long breaks, procrastination and stuff. I always learn uh stuff from the other things na nag-enjoy ako, no. Again, sa game, movies, game development, ano pa ba, paggagala. I always learn. Which is good, which is enough for me, I think. Kasi again, I don't want to compare na lang, yes, magte-30 na ako. Pero ayoko na lang maging pressure kasi that's life. I know what my capacity is. Hindi ko talaga kaya. But it's okay, kakayanin ko rin yan soon, 'di ba? I'm not I'm not trained enough to be a businessman. It's really a different level when it comes to the people that knows what they're doing and has the capacity to manage their self to do it, kunwari trained boxer, nag-training yan, boksingero yan, magaling yan sa boxing, okey? May mga taong magaling sa business and sa overall na pag-manage ng sarili nila, ng emosyon nila, 'di ba? So yun, nagte-training sila, so kailangan ko lang maging gano'n 'no, kagaya ng boksingero na magaling, na marunong, nag-practice, amateurish or semi-pro, yun yung ire-reach natin, yung goal natin, and hopefully maging pro someday, 'di ba? Again, you just need to, continuously doing at it, going on it at it, 'di ba? We will learn. So yun lang naman, it's an interesting scenario na yun na I always learn and naa-apply ko siya sa business, which is again, is still a blessing for me. Yeah, nag-procrastinate tayo. Yes, it's a side quest. Yes, I got depressed and stuff. But may mga natutunan pa rin tayo na madadala natin sa business, which is good. No, there's really no way around it. Mas malungkot ako eh. I want to take some rest. I know it's not discipline. I know it's not professional, but this is really me as of the moment. But again, I'm a working progress. Hindi ko ini-spoil yung sarili ko. I just know my capacity. Diba? My situation is just really different right now. And yun. Last na gusto kong sabihin or pag-usapan is maraming taong gustong mag-business. Pero again, hindi nila sure. Hindi ko sure ha. Hindi ko sure kung aware ba sila. Kung aware sila what it takes to manage a business, to do business, 'di ba? Kasi ako mismo yung, I'm guilty of that, 'di ba? I've always want to start stuff, no? I always would like to start, but when I'm in the process already, either I quit or I pause or I just leave or whatever. Consistency is really not there, unfortunately. Maybe it's just the situation or whatever, or maybe it's just a game, you know? Maybe parang game lang 'yan na sa ML na 'pag nabaog ako, wala na, baog na. Ang hirap humabol. Pero 'pag maganda yung start ko, maganda, panalo talaga, masaya. Maybe that's just it then, 'no? Momentum and stuff, just being aware and knowing paano bumawi, bumalik, 'di ba? Maybe that's it. And yeah, ayun lang naman. Kasi, may nakausap na naman ako na gustong business and partnership and, it's kinda okay. I'm okay with that. It's just that I'm aware of my capacity na hanggang dito lang ako kung okey, kung tignan natin kung gagawin mo talaga, alam mo 'yun. Ako rin kasi aware ako dun kasi ako mismo yung tao na 'pag may sinabi akong gusto kong gawin hindi ko naman nagagawa talaga, unfortunately. Ginagawa ko siya paunti-unti pero it's so hard for me to, execute kasi procrastination and stuff, which is again, we're trying to improve that, okay? We're actively improving on it, working on it. So yun lang naman, no hard feelings for me. I've wanted this to be consistent, dire-diretso ng 1 week pero hindi ko na foresee or hindi ko na anticipate na 'pag birthdays is may ganitong ganyan. Kami yun, kakain sa labas and stuff. Hindi ko siya na-anticipate na me fixing my sleeping pattern is going to be very destructive or whatever. Hindi ko siya na-anticipate, okay? Ang iniisip ko nga, wag ko na lang ba i-fix muna yung sleeping pattern ko. Pero right now, may situation, I have a good chance na ma-fix yung sleeping pattern ko. I'm just not sure kung magagawa ko. I am not sure. Pero if I can, then that's good. If not, I don't think i-fix ko na lang muna kasi I'm really on borrowed time here. I really don't have enough time to fix it. Kasi uwi na ako ng Pinas, no? So, probably ang estimated flight ko is around September 14, so almost middle of the month. So, I only have 3 weeks remaining. And actually, only 2 weeks kasi ngayong week na to is hindi ganun ka-productive. Again, ilang araw na wala sa akin. But again, it's okay. It's just a part of the process, Hindi ko kaya eh. And yeah, I really need to figure that out, Kasi again, I am aware na I don't have the infrastructure to push me, you know. And it's just not me. Wala rin siya sa akin eh. Hindi siya nasa loob ko na kailangan ko maging consistent eh. Wala akong nilabel na plano rin kasi. Kaya hindi ko rin talaga siya gagawin. So, yun lang naman. So, yeah. Let's continue this. So, today is August 26. Yeah. We will work on getting back on momentum.